हमारे पास एक कार थी। We had a car. We had a car. मुझ में प्रतिभा थी। I had talent. I had talent. हमारा एक परिवार था। We had a family. We had a family. उसके पास नई बाइक थी। He had a new bike. He had a new bike. मेरी माँ के पास एक हार था। My mother had a necklace. My mother had a necklace. उसके पास साड़ी नहीं थी। She did not have sari. She did not have sari. आपके पास मेरा संपर्क नंबर नहीं था। You did not have my contact number. You did not have my contact number. मेरे मित्र का दिन व्यस्त था। My friend had a busy day. My friend had a busy day. मेरे पास एक आरामदायक स्वेटर था। I had a cozy sweater. I had a cozy sweater. उसके पास एक सुंदर बगीचा था। He had a beautiful garden. He had a beautiful garden. उनके पास कोई बड़ा घर नहीं था। They did not have any big house. They did not have any big house. उनमें चित्रकला की प्रतिभा थी। They had talent of drawing. They had talent of drawing. क्या उसका दृष्टिकोण सकारात्मक था? Was his outlook positive? Was his outlook positive? किसानों के पास पानी नहीं था। Farmers did not have water. Farmers did not have water. उनके पास एक मजबूत They had a strong work ethic. They had a strong work ethic. मेरे पास एक मददगार पड़ोसी था। I had a helpful neighbor. I had a helpful neighbor. उनके पास एक जन्मदिन का खास उपहार था। They had a special birthday gift. They had a special birthday gift. मेरे पास एक आरामदायक बिस्तर था। I had a cozy bed. I had a cozy bed. उसके पास एक पसंदीदा खिलौना था। He had a favorite toy. He had a favorite toy. क्या बिल्ली का स्वभाव चंचल था? Did cat have a playful nature? Did cat have a playful nature? क्या उसके पास रंगीन अलमारी थी? Did he have a colorful wardrobe? Did he have a colorful wardrobe? गोविंद के पास एक क्रिएटिव प्रोजेक्ट था। गोविंद had a creative project. गोविंद had a creative project. उनकी दृढ़ प्रतिबद्धता थी। They had commitment. They had commitment. क्या उनकी गहरी दोस्ती थी? Did they have close friendship? Did they have close friendship? उसके पास एक सफल व्यवसाय था। He had a successful business. He had a successful business. राहुल के पास खाना पकाने का हुनर नहीं था। राहुल did not have cooking skills. राहुल did not have cooking skills. हमारे पास एक दिल छू लेने वाली कहानी थी। We had a heart touching story. We had a heart touching story. विराट कोहली के पास बल्ला था। विराट कोहली had a bat. विराट कोहली had a bat. उनकी एक बचपन की पसंदीदा फोटो थी। They had a favorite childhood photo. They had a favorite childhood photo. मेरे पास एक पसंदीदा किताब थी। I had a favorite book. I had a favorite book. उनका दृढ़ निश्चय नहीं था। They did not have determination. They did not have determination. हमारे पास पहले गुलामी थी। We had slavery before. We had slavery before. कंपनी को उतना मुनाफा नहीं था। Company did not have that much profit. Company did not have that much profit. सरकार के पास योजनाएं थी। Government had plans. Government had plans. मेरे पास पानी की बोतल नहीं थी। I did not have water bottle. I did not have water bottle. क्या आपके पास पैसे थे? Did you have money? Did you have money? मुझे कल सर्द दर्द था। I had a headache yesterday. I had a headache yesterday. मेरे पास एक हरा शर्ट था। I had a green shirt. I had a green shirt. उनके पास वापसी का टिकट नहीं था। They did not have return ticket. They did not have return ticket. मुझे कोई काम नहीं था। I did not have any work. I did not have any work. उस दिन पापा के पास पैसे नहीं थे। Father did not have money that day. Father did not have money that day. मेरे दादाजी के पास एक कार थी। My grandfather had a car. My grandfather had a car. मेरे पापा को इसके बारे में जानकारी नहीं थी। My father did not have information about it. My father did not have information about it. उसके पास बैलेंस नहीं था। He did not have balance. He did not have balance. क्या आपके पास उसका मोबाइल नंबर नहीं था? Did you not have his mobile number? Did you not have his mobile number? किसानों के पास सुविधाएं नहीं थी। Farmers did not have facilities. Farmers did not have facilities. लोगों के पास पैसे नहीं थे। People did not have money. People did not have money. मेरी मम्मी के पास केवल 2 साड़ी थी। My mother had only 2 sarees. My mother had only 2 sarees. हमें तकनीकी का ज्ञान नहीं था। We did not have knowledge of technology. We did not have knowledge of technology. शिक्षा तंत्र के पास नवाचार नहीं था। Educational system did not have innovation. Educational system did not have innovation. दुकानदार के पास नई डिज़ाइन के कपड़े नहीं थे। Shopkeeper did not have new design clothes. Shopkeeper did not have new design clothes.